Hey everyone, Tanner with Team Montana. Here behind me I have the brand new layout from Keystone Montana. This is the 3532 SP or side patio. A really neat new layout, but let's take a walk around and show you what it has to offer. So we're going to start right here on the door side of this 3532 SP. I love this side patio. Such a neat concept. It's really expanding our living area from inside the coach, and it looks beautiful. It's underneath the awning, and we'll see that when we get inside. Really nice to have the side rails all around for safety, and then this beautiful big glass part of that deck. When it is folded up, it really provides a lot of light in there for you. The other really nice thing about this is it is on a power button. So we'll see that inside when we push the button. All I'm going to do is hold the button for it to come out, hold the button for it to come back in. Really nice, easy way to set up this side patio here. As we move to the forward of the coach, we're going to see Keystone's notorious huge pass-through storage. So really I get so much depth over a lot of our competitors. This year we put this really nice kind of flooring in. It's got a little bit of a non-slide flooring in there. We're going to have an exterior central vac as well as interior. And then heading towards the front of the coach, all of our Keystone Montanas are going to be able to add a generator prep or a generator. This one here, I really like it because just if you don't want that, provides a lot of additional storage. On the off-door side, we're going to find a few of our really key features, starting with our auto leveling. This is the Titan leveling system. Really like that. It's a hydraulic 6-point auto leveling. It's going to have LED lights on each leg, so really nice at nighttime, especially if I'm setting up. I can kind of see where my jacks are landing. Now I love this. This is a split door. So really nice, instead of only having my baggage door come up so far because of my off-door slide out, now I have a baggage door that goes all the way up and all the way open. So just more convenient. I don't have to duck down to get into my convenience center here, which is really nice, where all of my water hookups, my low point drains, everything's really nice and tidy here. Additionally, Keystone Montana offers a water filtration system. So this water filtration is actually going to go right from my city water connection through my water filtration system before I go to the rest of my coach. Then lastly, up front here, we'll see on this Keystone Montana, it's a 16-gallon gas electric water heater. So really nice if I'm at a campsite for an extended period of time and I'm going to be plugged in. I don't have to only worry about propane. I can use the electric side of things, but I love how big that is. A 16-gallon, it is, you'd be hard-pressed to run out of hot water. As we head around to the rear of the 3532 SP, a lot of traditional stuff we're going to see here. It's prepped for a backup camera. I really like these frameless windows, kind of a residential style window, but new this year is our power hookup. So this is a 50 amp coach, of course. We have 2 ACs already on every single Montana. But new this year, I have these LED indicator lights. So when I'm plugged into shore power, you'll have these indicator lights that are going to make sure that we are grounded. There's not a faults or anything like that, but really nice just to have it right there at my power source. So on this 3532 SP, before we head inside, we got to talk about the axles and tires. So really nice is these have the 7,000-pound Gladiator axles. What that does for us, so if you look at a lot of our competitors, you're going to see a standard axle versus the Gladiator. You can see the thickness in this is much higher. It leads to a lot more better durability. Just really nice to have the Gladiator axles on this 3532 SB. And then accompanying that, it's going to be riding on 17.5-inch H-rated Cooper tires. So really nice tires, really nice axles, makes for a phenomenal ride. So inside the 3532 SP, really, really nice. I love this layout, but before we kind of go through it, you got to come and check out this patio. So from the inside, you get these sliding doors. It does have a sliding screen as well. But as I walk out into the patio, it's really nice. It just opens up that living area like we were talking about. Additionally, when the awning is out, lots of headroom here, so I'm shaded and I'm covered. I'm out of the elements, but it just gains us an extra bit of living space in this already really nice fifth wheel. So in the living area of the 3532 SP, it's really, really nice, very unique. So if we look at the back entertainment wall, we're going to have this really nice televator. So nice to have a 50-inch smart TV on the back entertainment wall. But if I didn't want that, if I'm backed up to a really nice view, I can put that television away and have this big rear window. Lots of storage all the way up and around. La-Z-Boy furniture. So that's a newer feature to Keystone Montana, but La-Z-Boy furniture in all of the Keystone Montanas. I'm going to get a big couch on this L sectional couch, which is really unique, plus 2 recliners. And then for a dining or workspace or anything like that, I have this kind of bar top with 2 chairs here. So really nice to be able to just kind of utilize that as a coffee nook, or if I'm working, I can see my campsite, which is very important instead of the neighbors. Just really nice to have that as my dining and workspace area. In the kitchen here, we have a really nice U-shaped kitchen. So it offers me a lot of counter space, a bit of storage everywhere. The new sinks, I love the cup rinse. It has a waterfall feature as well as my standard spray. The storage in the back is phenomenal as well. So I get 2 storage sides with adjustable shelves, a little coffee nook, or crock pot nook, depending on who you're talking to. But on one side, and then all storage on the other side. So again, with these adjustable shelves, just really nice, very unique for a pantry. And then again, not utilizing the space everywhere, even though that's a little tall, Montana puts in this drop-down storage tray here. So I really like that. I can load it, I can get it whatever I need, and then it's up and out of the way. So I'm still utilizing that space, but now I'm getting the convenience of being able to access it a little bit better as well. This one has the 18 cubic foot residential refrigerator. So this is going to come with that 2,000 watt inverter. So as I'm rustic camping and traveling down the road, my refrigerator is going to run, but on that inverter, I'll also have up to 7 outlets throughout my coach that are going to allow me to watch TV. And in the bedroom, there's inverted outlets. The bathroom and the kitchen, you'll have those inverted outlets as well. So as we get into the master bathroom, really nice. I have a dedicated drawer that's going to house things like a curling iron or a straightener or a hair dryer, anything like that. Additional storage below it. Heading up to my really nice recessed sinks here. You get more storage cabinet next to my sink. As I look into the glass door shower, I really like the teak bench there, as well as my shower head that has multiple spray nozzles from overhead and body height for massage, everything like that. Just beyond that, you'll see additional storage there for linens or anything extra there. Below that, I really like they put a dedicated trash bin hole. So really nice just to have that convenience there. As I'm in the master bedroom of this 3532 SP, really nice. Montana always does a nice job with this. They have a king bed slide out. This is going to be a dual-sided mattress. I have firm and soft on either side. I really like the backsplash behind the bed. Just kind of makes it look really nice and warm and inviting here. Flip up nightstands on either side of the bed. And then as I look kind of towards the dresser here, so with the dresser, really again, just utilizing that space, I have a flip up dresser for jewelry or anything like that. And then with my closet, really nice with my closet, it's a tri-fold on either side. But when I open this puppy up, it is massive. So I get dual hanging on either side, all the storage in the center. I get a little laundry basket in the center as well, and then another dual hanging space. So really nice. If you did put a washer and dryer in here, this would be my washer and dryer cabinet. So really nice just to have all that storage. I mean, underneath the bed, absolutely everywhere. In the bedroom, in the bathroom, in your living area, just lots and lots of storage on this 3532 SP. I hope you enjoyed that look at the 3532 SP side patio. Really nice side patio. all power, opening up. It's just going to be the talk of the campground with everyone who sees it. But if you want to see it, come see us here at Team Montana.